a picture, do not tag me.
What's up, YouTube? It's F Diddy. You made me mess up. It's Dada F82. We're on our way to Cars and Coffees. I'm here with Justin. F30. The dogs is out now. That's how you know we late. The dogs is outside. It was this guy's fault. The black guy right here. Yeah. It was his fault. So we're on our way to Cars and Coffee. Thanks to him, we woke up late because he want to go out, you know, and be Justin F30. So we about to be on our way right now. We see you when we get there. We just getting here. Just once again, he got us late, but we're in the line, and this shit is backed all the way up, as you can see. I can't like.
That's crazy.
The Lambos, Rarries, 350Zs, as you can see. Yes, Marina, M4s, everything, man. Everything is out here, man. We just waiting in line right now. Justin just illegally cut everybody off in traffic. So
what they gonna tell us?
Right, like what are they gonna tell us? So we trying to get in here now. We about to go with the Rarries and Lambos because we gonna get in too. You know what I'm saying? So we see you once we get in there. We just got back. Well, we had to turn around.
That's a fact.
Because the parking lot was closed. There's wild people here. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, I thought it wasn't gonna be this big, but this shit is big as shit.
Pause.
You said what?
Pause.
Pause, yeah.
Pause.
That was a pause.
Crazy.
That was a pause. That was an OD
crazy,
pause.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna fry, I keep covering the mic too, no cap. I did keep covering the mic, bro. So now we walk into the spot. It's mad cars. Like mad, it's OD, bro. This shit is broke and all that. But we're gonna get right. This shit is OD. I'm gonna record once we get actually in the spot, but I just wanted to let y'all see the commotion that's going on. We in there. HREs too. X3M. Calling me. So. Yo, the crazy part is I'm hot. I'm hot now. Like, it's hot. My shit, OG. Cool. So yeah. Nah, there go your Audis right here, man.
Keep setting over this motherfucker.
Nah, that's the thing. Nah, the roll cage, the yellow roll cage in here is in with the details. DSR wheels. What's this? E92. Yeah, this definitely nice. Duck fin. I ain't going front.
Right. Right. On 24/7. I didn't even see the fucking cage, bro.
Is my shit recording?
And the seats.
Nah, the roll cage is tough. I ain't gonna lie. Especially with this
I ain't seen it in a while, cause I
start stop right there with the yellow.
That's crazy, bro. Yeah, cause I remember when you was waiting on them.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
It's nice, but it's slow.
Go.
A little more metallic if we wanted to. Saying. Nice Q50S. I don't really like these shits, but to my viewers, if you like those shits, don't bash me. I don't care. We're good. I want to go see your mans. I got to meet your mans. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Nah, these old schools right here. But
I laughed my ass off. Yeah. Might be tripping, but I ain't been out over there.
Alfa Romeo.
I'm gonna go from there and go straight over. I see Forte already.
Yeah, I see him too.
Where your car at?
Yeah, I'm following Justin around now. So let me give y'all some calls.
All right, we about to go
let me tell
over
y'all
there,
something. This guy right here, right? This guy right here wanted this car. I'm not gonna even lie.
Chill.
Now he had a Beamer. Now he don't want to go back. You heard? Listen, let me tell you something. Once you go Beamer, you're never gonna want to go back, bro. I promise you that. You're gonna get a bang for your buck.
Know where you came from, man. Don't forget that.
Yo, you know what the crazy part is though? I came from a 1994 Jeep Cherokee with one door working.
How many windows?
4. Every door was green except for the passenger, it was white. So it stood out. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. This E36. Woo. This is clean. This is classic right here. Ain't in front. This E36 on BBS's. Classic. The blue is nice. I don't know what that blue is called, but I'm gonna find out. This setup is clean. GTS hood. T37s, clean, classic. Front, this is clean. It's a clean car. Not even rotted. GTS tail lights. This is clean. M8 right here. We got the upgraded actual tops on it. If I'm saying it right, correct me guys in the chat, you know what I'm saying? This is clean. I don't know if this is like a metallic gray, sapphire gray. I really don't know. What's your right here? What's your Forte's car? I think this is a BMW M5 CS. No, it's a Con. It's a Con. Rear diffuser. Boston wheels on it. Shit nice. Shit real nice. Where my boy go? Yeah. Everyone. You want to sell her? Why?
I want to get an E34. Oh yeah. I remember that. I tell people that and they're like,
this was
you want to sell this for that?
I remember that.
It's not even about that. It's the more enjoyment you're gonna have with the car. That's really what it is.
I'm on the 540. I just need to live the V8 for a little bit.
For a little bit?
Yeah.
I got the video turned the wrong way, bro, just now. Oh! Nah, this Porsche right here. Porsche is nice.
Limited, but you still drag shit in. I got another app too, but I don't like it.
S6, I believe. I think it's an A6. Good Boston's on it. Bronze, I believe, or copper. I believe it's copper. No, bronze. Yeah, S6. Rear diffuser. The C8 Corvette. Let me get this shit on it.
Nah, them headlights is fire.
Now the whole setup is just ham, bro.
What happened to the cap? What happened to the back cap?
Bro, shit spun out, bro.
Oh wow.
Yeah,
Wait, what?
Yo, it's always something with your foot. Oh, bro, listen, I'm sorry to be that guy, but come on, man. No.
This is ABS hood on it. BBS's. Nah, that shit tough.
That look good.
Nah, that look clean. Fuck good. Some Miata right here. Oh, big turbo in it. Big single turbo. The exhaust coming out the hood. My fault, bro. You getting a video? Go ahead. Do your thing. Do your thing. I think this is a 330. This don't look like an E92, but if it is, that's alright. It's an auto gray. I'm not really a fan of the wheel. This is E1. I think it's E19. I don't know. Heat. It's tough. What's up the front? Probably pushing some shit. TLS type S. Clean. BLZ. Sure.
I didn't like walking away from it and then like literally staring at it. No, but I was like, I know, I'm just damn sure. You know, we want.
Yeah. That's 2000. Fire.
That was my internship. I worked at a place where we made
Body kit on it. Nice. Vortex. HREs, man. This color is beautiful. Good little walk around.
Good.
All right, YouTube. We just made it back to the house, finally. Retired. I'm not gonna lie. It was good though. Quads and Coffee, first one in Charlotte. Shout outs to everybody that was there. I got to meet What's Your Forte. Make sure y'all follow him on YouTube. It's What's Your Forte. Am I right? Yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, man. It's only gonna get better and better after this, man. Straight vibes, man. I hope you guys enjoyed. To the conclusion.
Niggas lit, baby, pick one. We gon' do some numbers on this one. I can show you how to triple your income. Big body music.